How to fix EA, your credentials have expired blue. So if you want to fix EA, your credentials have expired blue, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your browser and then search for EA Games. And you need to go with www.ea.com. And now, if you're trying to log into your account, or if it says that your credentials have expired, something like that, then you just need to simply go with the login page, go with sign in, which is on the left side, and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now, here you need to enter your phone or your email address and then go with next. But if it says that your credentials have expired, then you can go with forgot your password. But if you also don't have forgot your password option, then you can either sign in with your Google, Facebook, Apple, Steam, Xbox, and PlayStation. So before trying with these, you need to go with the top right, which has that three dots, and then you need to go with delete browsing data. And here you need to select last 24 hours and then go with delete data. After deleting the data, you can just go back to the sign in page, reload it. After reloading, try to sign into your EA account and it will fix your problem. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.